Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the temperature in a temperature controller. First, familiarize yourself with your controller's display and buttons. It's important to know the difference between the current process value and your desired set point. Always keep your user manual handy, as specific steps can vary slightly between different models. This initial preparation will make the process much smoother for you. Now, let's access the set point. Typically, you'll press a button labeled SET or Mode to enter the adjustment mode. You'll often see the display start flashing or change its indication to confirm you're ready to modify the set point. If your controller has a different method, your user manual will provide the exact button sequence you need to follow for your specific device. Once in set point mode, use the up and down arrow keys to adjust the temperature to your desired value. For example, you might set it to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. After selecting your new set point, press the SET or Enter button again to confirm and save it. The controller should then return to its normal operating display, applying your new temperature setting to the system. Beyond the basic set point, many controllers offer advanced parameters like hysteresis, which prevents rapid cycling, or alarm limits for safety. Consider calibrating your temperature sensor periodically to ensure the most accurate readings. Finally, always test your new settings to confirm the system responds as expected. This ensures optimal performance and reliable temperature control for your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.